Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to turn screen lock sound on or off on Samsung Galaxy A54 5G. So if you have the Samsung Galaxy A54, the 5G or normal, and each time you press the side button or the power button, this gives sound, and then each time you unlock it, it also gives sound. This is referred to as the lock screen sound on Samsung A54. And if you want to turn off this, then there's a video for you. So if at the end of this, if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, to turn screen lock sound on or off on Samsung Galaxy A54, all you need to do is go ahead and open the settings application. On the settings page, scroll down, locate sounds and vibration and click on that. Once you selected sounds and vibration, scroll down and then locate system sound. Click on it. Now, here, locate screen lock and unlock and turn this on. Once that is enabled, when next you try to lock your Samsung phone screen, you should hear the sound. You hear that? So this is going to be in form of chime depending on the sound you choose under system sounds theme. So if you lock your Samsung device, then you should hear the sound. Now if you want to turn off the screen lock sound, just go ahead and disable screen lock and unlock, and then you're good. So that's exactly how to turn screen lock sound on or off on Samsung Galaxy A54. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.